not try to break the goddamn truck loading this stuff. And yes, I know some smartass person too. Just remove the screen or remove the mesh so it makes it easier. Well, I don't want to remove the mesh. Alright, everything's all packed up. Time to get the rest of the family that's going to drop me off at the airport. Just landed here in Pittsburgh, heading down to baggage claim right now. It is like 10 at night. Flight from Phoenix was delayed a little bit. So I'm gonna get my bags. I'm just gonna take an Uber to the hotel. It's not too far from here. All right, guys, just got to my hotel here in Pittsburgh. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack, and I will see you guys in the morning. We are in the rental car. I keep forgetting that I need zip ties, but I have an idea of something that I want to try instead of using zip ties that I think is going to give an overall better finish and look. So, yeah, excited about that. We are here at the customer's house, and my goodness, this is a beautiful, beautiful C8 here, man. Those blue calipers on that white, oh, looks really good. Accents with the blue interior there. It just looks so nice. So nice. By far, probably one of the best looking C8s of my career so far, thus far. The rims really set this thing off. Looks nice, so I'm excited to get into it. And we're gonna start tearing it apart. So as you can see, it is all prepped. It is all ready for the hinge to be installed. So this is generally the time when I get everything prepped and I take everything apart and make it ready for the kit itself. I generally take about a 15-20 minute break or so, just to kind of recoup and recover or so. But it's also because of my gloves. So my gloves, they need to be swapped out. I did better this time, but as you can see, I just got one little nick in there. But these gloves don't have powder, so to change them out, if I don't dry them completely out, I'll never get those gloves on. So take about a 15-minute, 20-minute break. We'll get back to this install. All right, guys, I am done. It has been a pleasure. It has been an honor, but this thing is beautiful. Looking right, no wires. Where's the wires? Come on, find the wires. Can you find the wires? Can you find them? Can you find them? Nope, you can't find the wires. There are no wires. That's Eikon Motorsports, baby. But this car looks beautiful. Man, these rims, blue calipers are awesome. But there she is in all her glory, and she looks beautiful. Let's look at it with the doors down and see that final gap here. So let me go ahead and close these doors real quick. So there's one door. It's just so beautiful. Look at that, nothing sticking out. It's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous all around. All around gorgeous. Let's check out the driver's side. Let's close it. And there's your driver's side door. Again, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys. Well, you know what to do. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Look forward to a code for our giveaway coming up very soon. Until next time, everybody, follow us, like us. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, everything. But until next time, guys, have a good one.